And roll! Welcome to the new Caveman Hobby Show. Today, I'm going to unpack 8 Sleep Evolving Skies booster packs and compare the results against my unboxing of Evolving Skies Elite Trainer boxes last week. Are you better off buying a la carte booster packs or buying set meals like Elite Trainer boxes? Let's find out. Now let's start off with pack number 1. Did you notice all my sleeve boosters are all Duraludons? No, it's not because I'm a fan of Duraludon, it's because it's the least popular design and the Pokemon Center had only Duraludon designs remaining. I assumed that all the booster packs inside would follow the design of the sleeves. Turns out they are all randomly packed. No first pack magic for me. The first pack was a green code card. Shopping Center. Now let's move on to pack number 2. Now there have been many rumors that sleeve booster packs give the best pulls, but that's not why I bought sleeve boosters. The truth is, they were the only Evolving Skies products left at the Pokemon Center, and they will wipe out half an hour after I left the store. Another green code card. That's 2. Spirit Mask. Moving on to pack number 3. By the way, I do not believe in showing the code cards on screen. That will only benefit the first lucky guy who watches my video. Instead, everyone should have a chance to participate in my giveaway contest to win the code cards and a copy of the Professor Willow's Research Task code card. Contest details will be provided at the end of the video. Okay, let's go. Water Energy, Pyro, Scroll of Defend Dragon, Swabble, Seedo, Woobat, Eevee, Timbo, Tentacruel, and what do we have behind? I can't tell. Looks like a VMAX card. And maybe a rainbow one. Let's see. It's a Dracozolt VMAX Hyper Rainbow Rare. According to Reddit, the chances of a Rainbow Rare is 1 out of 82 packs. Even though I would have preferred an Evolution Rainbow Rare, I guess we are still pretty lucky. Now let's move on to pack number 4. A white code card. 4 cards to the front. And now we have Water Energy, Tentacruel, Palpitoad, Shopping Center, Roggenrola, Psyduck, Swablu, Seedo, Woobat, Moon and Sun Badge, and lastly, Adelga. Onwards to pack number 5. too bad, that's another green code card. A Naked. Moving on to pack number 6. Another green code card. We have a Qing Chao. Now let's move on to pack number 7. Great, we have a white code card now. 4 cards to the front. We have Copycat, Ice Cube, Scroll of the Flying Dragon, Sado, Slack Off, Flare Baby, Carvana, Dwebble, Bulldog, and we have a hit. It looks like a rainbow rare again. It's neither a V or VMAX, probably a trainer card. Oh no, what do we have here? It's a trainer card. Oh no, it's a Gordy. So I mentioned earlier that rainbow rares come by once in every 82 packs. But why this fatty? What a waste of my luck. Moving on to my last pack. Last pack magic please. No. The last pack is a green code card. And we have a Bravery. Now let's do a tally. We have 2 rainbow rares out of 8 sleeve boosters. One being Fat Boy Gordy and the other being Dracozolt VMAX. Both are not considered popular and valuable rainbow rares. The total code card tally is 5 green cards to 3 white cards. Now, let's compare with the 2 ETBs I unboxed last week. For the first box, I had a Duraludon V and a Lycanroc VMAX, with also 5 green code cards to 3 white code cards. The second box had a Lithium V with only 6 green code cards to 2 white code cards. Overall, I would say that there may be some truth that the sleeve boosters have better pulls, based on my small sample size. All in all, the chances of getting white code cards are about 40% only. My recommendations are that you can still purchase ETBs, but only to hold for long-term investments, as they are still quite a popular collector's item. If you are chasing cards, you are better off purchasing booster packs alone without all the fluff and bundle items. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. You can also participate in my giveaway contest to win a copy of the Professor Willow's Research Task promo code card. I will also be giving away the code cards from these Evolving Skies booster packs. Thanks everyone, stay safe and bye bye.